500 cash?
I'll do it!
Come closer, you're too far away.
No!
Hey, oh,
Beautiful. Very nice, everyone. I love it. Jerry, you light on your feet.
Yeah, this whole place is light on its feet.
ow!
Now, Nick, your body's too stiff. Wait, listen to me. Your body, too stiff. I want you to loosen up. Come on. There you go. Move it, and then go all dance by yourself. And feel the music, Nick. Feel it. Okay, everyone. Change partners.
Cha. We meet again, shall we?
I hope that's your belt buckle I feel back there.
You know, from the moment we met, I felt there was an electrical charge between us.
I think your pacemaker's shorting out.
How did you know I like to be humiliated?
Look, Lloyd, you're barking up the wrong tree.
Oh, I know. You want to leave.
Lloyd, I'm not interested.
Well, that's all right. I'm a patient man. I can wait. I'm also very rich. You know, I'd like to spoil you, Nick. Take you places you've never been. Show you things you've never seen.
Jerry!
Cha.
That's it.
You know, you're a really good dance teacher.
Yes. It's fun to teach a class like this.
I always felt too self-conscious to really cut loose, you know?
We have a review here on board. It's kind of like an amateur night thing. You think you'll be interested?
Too public. I'm more of a closet dancer.
Well, that's a shame. Because I'm the choreographer.
Really? Well, for you, I might just waltz out of the closet.
You know, strange.
What's that?
The way you stare at me sometimes, and the way you touch me like that right now, is exactly the way a straight guy would.
Me? Straight? Girlfriend, please. Ooh, nobody's gonna teach me how to be gay.